what we're looking at here is a S.M.C Emperor, manufactured in 1989, I think. But due to the fact the fan is broken, but the light does work. So it's going to be a really short video. Well, I'll show you the light. It does not work. The fan does not work at all. So here it is. Here it is. So that's the only thing that works, and I'm making this video short because the fan does not work. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Actually, wait, before I go, this fan does have one of these things around there. It's made by S.M.C. And this one has cane, because you remember it has cane. You know, the other side is just plain brown. But the only thing that it just works is, well, it switches up every time you hold the whole chain. Does not work. Does not work at all. But so, due to manufacturers, that's it.